No, I'm just going to go out and throw everything at him and hopefully come up with the right result.
Conor McGregor's debut in Cage Warriors happened to be his first career fight that was broadcasted on national television. It's a shame that his ascension to a new level wasn't successful. The fight lasted for only 38 seconds after the Notorious One pressed his opponent against the fence trying to land big shots. Duffy immediately grabbed his leg and took McGregor to the ground. Then he transitioned to an arm triangle. A few seconds later, and Conor surrenders. A second career lost after the beginning of a win streak in just a couple of months. Here is how the Notorious One commented on his defeat
We all
when he was on his
lose
way
and
up
we
a
all
couple of
win.
years later.
It's time just to learn
I
from
definitely have
both.
my eyes on Al Joe. So
Man, that's a pretty dang dog.